TATE Orbital automatic TIG welding machine is transforming industries, including nuclear power, chemical processing, aerospace engineering, pharmaceuticals, electronics manufacturing, and food production. Let's examine its contribution to pharmaceutical clean pipeline systems. Pharmaceutical pipelines require welds that meet GMP and FDA standards, ensuring sterility and safety. The TATE welding machine produces seamless, contamination-free welds, preventing bacterial growth and maintaining the integrity of production lines. Its automated orbital technology ensures precision and consistency, reducing production downtime and enhancing operational efficiency. Whether it's used for transferring liquids, powders, or gases, the TATE machine guarantees quality and compliance across all pharmaceutical applications. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital automatic TIG welding machine, providing tailored OEM and ODM solutions. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share our video. Contact us at info@oaktate.com to learn